Are you preparing for JEE but feeling lost, unmotivated, or unsure if you're even studying the right way? What if you could follow a plan that's already helped aspirants stay consistent, focused, and improved faster? Welcome to JK Studies Rankers Route, your personal roadmap to success. I have guided many students, and the biggest reason they fail isn't because they are not smart, it's because they lack structure, accountability, and proper guidance. That's exactly what this program fixes. There are three tiers. First is starter for beginners building their foundation, monthly mentorship Zoom sessions, starter study roadmap, and curated book lists. Next tier is pro mentor for students who need structure and regular check-ins, weekly small group mentorship Zoom sessions, that is Zoom calls, monthly study plans, and group doubt support and strategy tips. Now, the most valuable tier, that is elite focus for serious aspirants aiming for top ranks, weekly one-on-one mentorship session, full-time doubt solving, daily planning, mock test analysis, and deep mindset coaching. Whether you're just starting or aiming for top ranks, JK Studies Rankers Route gives you the exact plan and personal guidance you need. Seats are limited, especially in elite focus. Register now using the Google form link in the description. Let's make your JEE dream a reality. You can check out the details. The link has been given in the description.